External is the professional's choice. Designed and approved for air conditioning and refrigeration systems. It seals larger leaks with just 4 simple steps. 1. Cut the external. 2. Activate the epoxies. 3. Apply around the hole. 4. Cure and test. Let's go through this step by step. External comes in a roll that will work for 3 or 4 applications. Cut the external and save the rest for future use. Activate the epoxies by mixing the external between the fingers. It is a 2-part epoxy putty with a darker outer layer and a lighter core. Mix them together for about a minute until external is a uniform gray. You will feel a little heat as the epoxies activate. Apply the external around the circumference of the tubing. You need about 1/4 inch of product on either side of the hole. The thickness of the putty around the tubing should be at least the same as the size of the hole. So if the hole is 3 millimeters wide, then the external around the tubing should be at least 3 millimeters thick. External will cure once it's on in a few hours. To accelerate the curing, use your heat gun over the external for 5 minutes and then wait for about an hour and test. It's as easy as that. External is rated up to 825 psi. It's great for those hard-to-reach areas where leaks are common, as well as for leaks that are difficult or impossible to repair conventionally. External works on all materials: copper, aluminum, steel, plastic, and is great for where copper meets aluminum. It works on holes up to 5 millimeters, about 1/5 of an inch, and will last 12 to 15 years. It is tested and compatible with all refrigerants and lubricants and will not dissolve over time. Plus, it will not void the warranties since it's applied from the outside with nothing going into the system. External is a great solution when the coil is around the back corner, either for a temporary fix or a permanent repair. It is great for a safe, quick repair in supermarkets, schools, hotels, and hospitals when you can't have a flame, and for older units that must be up and running at all times. External is the professional's choice.